In this video, I'm going to share with you how to get your first Etsy sale and how to get to $1,000 per month following 5 simple steps. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to share with you a real example on how all of this ties together and also how one product is doing over $2,000 per month. So I'm going to share that with you and also how I'm able to take that example and start to get ideas on how I could create a full Etsy brand around this one product. So stay tuned for that. So the very first step in this process is making sure that you are selling a product that people actually want to buy. And what I'm talking about here is doing some product validation, actually seeing that a product is selling. And another side of that is picking the right niche. Now, like I said, the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how I found a product that is selling really well in a really good niche, and that would allow me to validate that I could probably go in this niche and do pretty well. So again, stay tuned for that. But we really want to get clear on who we're serving, what niche we're serving, and then start looking at products that are selling, and not just one product, but multiple products that could be sold to that same customer. So that's step number 1. Product validation and niche validation. So make sure that you do that. So now in step number 2, you're going to see why it's so important that we get step 1 done first, is we want to start launching products. And we are using print on demand. I do recommend that because you can launch multiple products very quickly. You can take one design and put it on 2 products, 3 products, 5 products. It's just so much easier. And this will allow us to really blitz that niche in that market on Etsy and see what does stick, but really in that niche. All right. So in the very beginning, when we're doing this, we're going to launch 2 to 3 products per day. All right. So that's what we're doing. Now, it doesn't mean you have to, but you are going to be able to increase your chances because you have more lines in the water. And this way here, we're able to test more of these products. So that's step number 2, is really launching multiple products, preferably 2 to 3 per day for the first 30 days. Step number 3 is now taking that product and that listing on Etsy and doing some very basic, but really easy SEO, search engine optimization, inside of the Etsy platform. And the main ones that we want to focus on here are, number 1, the keyword that is in the title or keywords that are in the title. We want to make sure that we've done some research there on that product, what people are searching for, and we want to make sure that's in our title. The second part of the SEO formula is really having a good image or images, because we want to be able to demonstrate and share what that item is up close, really good quality, so people know what they're getting, and it can also stand out when people are scrolling and scanning different types of products that are also competing with yours. The third part of the SEO formula is really the description, making sure that we have a good, well-written description so people that are looking at the product know what it is, but also Etsy's search engine knows what it is. The fourth step that I'm going to do when I'm trying to launch a brand new Etsy store and get some sales and get to that $1,000 mark is I want to get sales, because part of the SEO formula that I didn't talk about is Etsy wants sales. It will rank you higher if you are getting sales because it's proven that people want this thing. So they're going to naturally give you more exposure. So you're going to want to use the Etsy ads internally. Now, step number 5 is going to be letting people know. If you have friends and family on Facebook, let them know that you just launched something. They might buy it. They might leave you a review. Let people know on all of your different social platforms that you have new products that you are selling now. Let people have a chance to buy from you that already know, like, and trust you, and then we can start getting some of those reviews. So those are the 5 different steps in order to launch your first product and make your first sale and get to that $1,000 number that you're shooting for. Now, like I said, as promised, I'm going to share with you an example here and really explain how this product is doing so well, but also how it's given me ideas and validated a certain niche. Are you ready? This is probably the part you've been waiting for. Get ready. Here we go. So here's a product right now that is all around hunting. Okay. So I looked up hunting gifts, hunting sign, and this is what came up. Now, what I'm looking at here is a product that is, yes, customized, but this is a product you could definitely get done on one of the print-on-demand services. It's a metal sign and it's around hunting. So right away, I'm thinking the hunting niche, which I know is really big, and then I could offer a bunch of different accessories or different products in the hunting niche. So I know that that's going to be a good niche. But the one thing I want to know is this product alone, are signs actually selling? Let's take a look. So right now I'm going to run this tool that I use called Everbee. By the way, if you want to check out Everbee for free, head on over to brandcreators.com/Everbee. You can get a free trial there. No credit card required. And yes, you will buy me a cup of coffee by going through my affiliate link, which I love my coffee, by the way. So here's the analytics. It's been selling for 1 year and 5 months. It's gotten 269 reviews. Its estimated monthly reviews is 15. It's been favorited 1,615 times. It's gotten 1,207 total sales, and monthly sales are 67 as of right now. And the estimated monthly revenue is $2,344. So what this is telling me is this product is selling very, very well. It's also telling me that this niche in hunting is doing very, very well. So I've now validated the niche and I've validated this one product. So I would say this is probably a good niche. So there you go, guys. There's 5 steps to launching your first product on Etsy and getting to $1,000 per month following these 5 steps. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you did enjoy this video, I'm gonna put another video right here showing you exactly how we did a product blitz. We launched 30 products in 30 days and what the results were. You can check that out right here. Once again, guys, I really enjoyed making this video for you. I hope you got a ton of value and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.